Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to part 3 on the Ebike Biuld. We're doing some more painting today. We've got the side panels, we've got the one that's got the cutout window to do, so we're going to do some textures with the steel effect around here, and then we're going to put some welds in around the outside of this. Do some rivet heads on this centre top piece and just get this one all textured up, then we can move on to this one. This one will be the same again. We're going to have some welds going round, and then we've got a piece of artwork to go in here. So that's what's on the cards today. I've got the LED lights for this piece. We're doing a acrylic, two-piece acrylic build in here with text inside, and this will all illuminate up on the side of the bike when it's complete. I've got to nip out later and get some bits from the sign shop, some text that's going to be cut, a bit more for the swing arm, and some other text to go on the bike, including in with the artwork. I'm going to adapt some text into the artwork, but you'll see that later on in the videos as we go along. So similar sort of process. We're going to do the textures like in part 2, and there'll just be a few extra bits, but I'll talk you through some bits along the way. If there's anything different, I'll drop it up in some text on the screen, or I'll stop and give you a little chat. So I'll stick you in a time lapse and we'll crack on. See you in a bit. So we've got all the welds coming in just here, going up with all the colours, and you've got all the TIG welding going along the edge, all the way around. So that weld goes all the way around that pattern there, and then you've got the rivets to that face piece there. So all nice and realistic, makes it look really like steel. So we're just going to put a band round here, a little pin line highlighted band round there, and then this piece is done. We can move on to the next side panel. There you go. If that's picking that up, you've got your welds. Then we've just done a little like perspex edging round that with some scratches in it, because this is going to be perspex this side. That will just blend into that. We've got the rivets going round, just give that realistic look. So that's that one complete with all the welds and all the textures, and we can now move on to the next piece, which is the other side panel. We've got a bit of artwork on that one. finished panel. We've gone for a biomech design on this. We're going to continue this biomech design in part 4. On the top panel I've got another piece that matches and blends into this. I've dropped the Yamaha tuning fork logo in the centre, so it's all going to be Yamaha themed with the biomech. So that's the finished side. We've got the candy gold to match in with the welds. We've gone for the purple, transparent purple to match in as well. And I've just dropped a little bit of blue across here to give that more of a chrome type look. This will look a lot better once it's clear coated, because all the darks and the blacks will set back and it'll pop this bit forward, so it'll look a lot sharper and glossier once it's been clear coated. So I hope you can join me in part 4 when we move on to the LEDs, and we'll start the frame. We'll get all the frame airbrushed up, and then we can offer these panels up, and you can see this LED design I've got. I'll give it a test run. It looks really cool, guys. So we'll move on to that stage in part 4. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more up and coming videos. Big warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for all the comments, and I'll see you in part 4. Thanks for watching.